Authorities conducted another round of clearing operations along Estero de Magdalena in Manila. That's after around 300 families returned to the area and built shacks that clogged the waterway. Shaila Francisco has that report.
This is supposed to be a creek, but Estero de Magdalena now looks like a garbage dump. You can hardly see the water. The informal settlers, however, who have been calling the supposed waterway home, don't seem to mind the piles of trash that surround their homes. Problem is the waste here ends up straight into Pasig River and Manila Bay. Based on samples collected by the Pasig River Rehabilitation Commissioner (PRRC), coliform level in Estero de Magdalena is already at 5.4 million most probable number or MPN per 100 milliliter, way above the limit that's safe for swimming and fishing. The PRRC and the MMDA started cleaning parts of the canal on Thursday. Some workers even had to get in the filthy water to collect garbage. The commission had earlier relocated around 1,400 families in the area. But just this month, some 300 families returned and built shacks around the canal that clogged the waterway again.
Health hazard ho ito para sa kanila eh. So mas maganda yung lilipat natin sila sa mas decent na mga kabahayan. Before talaga, you can't see any water here eh. Wala hong running water eh. Tapos nalinis ho natin yun, natanggal na ho natin yun, di ba ho? Ngayon ho, may bumabalik na naman. The cycle is just repeating and repeating itself. Hanggang hindi ho natin ma-relocate itong mga informal settlers.
PRRC admits relocating the informal settlers had been challenging because of the lack of relocation sites. The agency has yet to find homes for some 1,100 families who are still living in the area.
Nakikiusap po kami doon sa mga ibang receiving LGUs na tanggapin na ho ito mga i-relocate. Ang usual excuse na sinasabi nila, yung katulad na lang, baka may criminality. Ang problema ho natin, disiplina ho ng LGU. Dapat hindi na ho pinapayagan ng mga barangay na bumalik na. Responsibilidad na ho yun eh. Kasi kami ho, katulad ito, once na ma-rehabilitate namin to, ma-relocate mo namin lahat ng ISF.
Goiti says PRRC is coordinating with the DILG to file charges against barangays and private establishments that pollute the canals. Shaila Francisco, We Are One News.